Dear child, you are more powerful, you are stronger, you are wiser, you are more resilient, you are more determined, you are a survivor. You have the power because the entire universe is with you. Keep moving forward. You know so much more than you know before. You are about to find yourself on an important mission. My child, you are so powerful. Please don't let the circumstances or whatever is in front of you right now dictate your future or the way you see yourself or how successful you will be in love or life or what you will experience. Walk with faith with your eyes on your vision and feel it real in your imagination. Experience it every day. Know that it is coming. Stop questioning and doubting what will show up next in your reality. You decide what shows up next. Approach the process of creating with confidence and trust that it is happening for you. My child, don't try to be perfect. Perfect does not exist in real life. Life is beautiful, adventurous with ups and downs, with sunny days and grey ones. It is everything but not perfect. Try to be free. Be authentic you. The one that is hiding deep inside you with big dreams. And the most unique personality. Show that self to the world. Because that you can achieve anything, that you can inspire others. My child, start rephrasing your dreams as promising. What if you just know every time that you had a desire, that it is meant to come true? That the only reason you are having this desire is because you are meant to experience it. That it's not some external thing that is meant to torture you, but rather a promise. And you experience it in the physical is by first simply experiencing it in your imagination and persisting. When you look at your desires this way, you begin living by faith rather than fear and it. My child, your life is about to flourish in so many beautiful ways. The blessings you are now attracting will seriously blow your mind. Speak it into existence and declare it will happen for you. My child, you are backed and protected by the higher realms. Listen to the signs and divine messages assuring you that everything is going to be great. Choose faith over fear, walking a conscious path means that you have to keep bringing yourself back to the present moment. Focus on what is here and now. Those who walk the authentic path can't be messed with. Keep your head up and shine your divine light. Warrior, I love you, my child.